Hello, everybody. I'm Nikki from Motherhood Unfiltered. It's going to be okay. And I just wanted to get on here for a few minutes and talk about something that's been on my mind. This past weekend, I had the opportunity to go to a retreat for women. And who knew that today would be Women's International Day? And it's Women's International Day, and I've always wanted to be someone who could inspire women or even women in my life. I hope that I can. Um, but so I was able to go to a retreat, and we fellowshipped. We learned a lot about um, working on our own business, things that tools that we could use to reach more people, and talked about, being able to make money, things like that. But what I got most out of it was, first of all, I'm not too old to learn new things. I'm not too old to make new friends. Um, and so that was really inspiring. Um, I felt like we all arrived there. I mean, from my perspective, we arrived there as acquaintances, but we left as, sisters. And I felt like I grew more closer to these ladies. And it was a small group, so it's kind of intimate. And we were able to slow down and, you know, get through some topics, things that may have, that would hold us back, or things that we had experienced that may prevent us from being, you know, more successful. I always feel like I mean, even though I don't like to, it's good to talk about those things that have happened in the past. Because if you can recognize that and use it as a tool to help you move forward. Um, it's not easy, it's hard, but um, I'm someone that likes to feel like I'm in control of my life. And so when something happens that I have no control over, then I'm, I think, okay, what can I do to feel like I have control? So I automatically go into self survivor mode, or self help mode, or whatever it is you want to call it. So, but this past weekend, I just kind of wanted to talk about, finding that sisterhood, a group of ladies, whether it be family or friends or coworkers that you're close to, finding them and linking arms with them and just being there for each other, especially in this time where things feel so uncertain. Today, I listened to this wife um, from Ukraine, and I'm pretty sure she was in a bomb shelter. And she was talking about how she just doesn't, her countrymen and her countrywomen do not want to be oppressed, and but anyway, she was just crying and just begging, we just got to stop the Russians, and we got to stop Putin from invading our country, and from taking us over and destroying us and killing us and everything. And the newscaster asked her, have you talked to your husband? Do you know where your husband is? And she said, no, she doesn't know where he is, and she has not talked to him. And you could just tell she's so worried. She doesn't know the news of him. She feels so alone. And I just wish that, I could reach out to her and just let her know that, um, we're praying for her and her country, hoping that all of this will resolve itself quickly without any more, lives and being, you know, people being murdered or killed and their country being destroyed. So I just with this weekend having that fellowship with the other ladies and and they're totally different than I am. Oh my God. I can't even do this today, but I just want to say find your sisterhood because you might be having moments like me where you're about ready to go crazy. I hope it's the FedEx guy coming to get these packages, but who knows? Anyway, like I said, find your sisterhood and reach out to me. You can reach out on my website, www.nickyasher-bowling.com. See you soon. Bye.